Have you ever sent an email and immediately noticed that you attached the wrong file, or maybe you made a mistake or sent it to wrong person? Well, Gmail gives you an option to unsend that message, and in this video exactly we're going to talk about it, like how we can unsend an email in Gmail before it's too late. Alright, before we begin, there is one important thing you should understand. Gmail does not provide the same type of recall that some business email offer, for example Outlook. Instead, Gmail gives you a short cancellation window immediately after you click send. And I will also let you know how you can customize that cancellation window, because once cancellation period ends, the normal undo option is no longer available. Now let me quickly show you how you can. For example, let me create here an email. Now if I click here on send, you can see that I can undo it. Alright, and as you click on undo, you can see the message again came back to draft mode. But as I said, this undo option will appear for a few seconds, and actually by default it is around 5 seconds, which is literally very small window. So let's see how we can increase that time to, for example, let's say half a minute, which is by default a few second window to undo an email. And that sometimes is usually not enough, because by the time you notice the mistake, the button may already be gone. So let's increase it to maximum available duration. So let's see how we can customize that timing. For that, let's go here on the top and click on settings. And then here we need to click on see all settings. Now go to general tab, which by default you should be, else click here on general and then you will be in general tab. Now here you will see the third option known as undo send, and here is the option which you can play with. So here you can see the thing is, you cannot simply make it to any value, but you have got these values. So as I was mentioning before, by default it is 5 seconds. So here what we can do is we can increase this value to 30 seconds. Now let's go down here and click on save changes. Now next time when I send this email message, I will see this message sent undo option till 30 seconds. And that's really nice, because now you have got whole 30 seconds to think about it and cancel that email. Now if you are using Android or iPhone, the process is even simpler. After sending an email through your Gmail app, you will be seeing similar kind of notification with an undo button. Simply tap on undo and your message will reopen, so you can edit it or delete it. Now this may also happen with you, let's say you moved or switched to another tab and that undo option is gone, which is really the downside of it, and I still did not found any option in Gmail that make that option appear back. So you need to be very careful with that. And if you know already that these kind of mistakes happen with you, then what you can do is you can try safer alternative. For example, instead of sending message immediately, you can click on this down arrow and click on schedule send. Now you can set up your time and date when you want this message to go. For example, maybe after 1 hour. So I can schedule send, and now the message will be there in scheduled, and anytime you think that you need to cancel this send, you can do that, or you can re-edit this message. Gmail allow up to 100 scheduled sends and give you much more time to review important email before they actually go out. So that's how guys you can unsend an email in Gmail, increase your cancellation period, and we also talk about the alternative method, which is scheduling messages in Gmail. If this video saved you from embarrassing email, hit that like button and subscribe for more such tips and tricks related to office productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.